Welcome to my channel How To. In today's video, we're diving into the world of AdFreeway, an innovative platform that rewards you for interacting with digital ads. We'll explore how you can earn rewards, how your votes impact the ads you see, and how to redeem those hard-earned rewards. Let's get started. AdFreeway is an exciting platform that values your opinion and aims to enhance your digital ad experience. Here's a quick overview. AdFreeway rewards you for voting on digital ads. Your vote in recent ad serving history may improve the ad performance against the competitive vote in ad serving history of others in the ad audience. With your permission, your vote and unique interest curate away inappropriate, annoying, and unwanted ads with better ones for you and other audience members to enjoy. Now, let's talk about how you can earn rewards on AdFreeway. You can earn rewards by voting on ads from our partners and trusted brands. After voting, register on the AdFreeway platform and validate your email. Then select Redeem to collect and use your rewards right away or save them for later. Plus, if your vote contributes to improving the ad's performance, you'll earn additional rewards. Your votes play a crucial role in curating the ads you and other users see. But don't worry, your privacy is respected. Your votes help curate the order and combinations of ads that are served to you and other users. We also provide advertisers with anonymous feedback on whether their ads are liked or not, without identifying members who voted. Finally, let's talk about how you can redeem your hard-earned rewards. On-screen text: how do I redeem rewards? Redeeming rewards is easy. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Choose your reward. Step 2. Select Redeem Now. Step 3. Venue staff or the AdFreeway website will validate and redeem the voucher or token in exchange for merchandise or payment. That's a wrap on our overview of AdFreeway and how you can earn rewards while improving your ad experience. Remember to check out the official AdFreeway website for the most up-to-date information and get started on your journey to earning rewards through digital ads. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative content like this.